4:30, November the 7th. We're headed out right now, me and Seth. I'm gonna go try and get him a bull or me a buck, but have options. So here we go. 7:15, made it up to where we wanted to be, almost maybe another mile down this ridge, but none. There's none. It's wind blasting so bad. Just layered up. Binoculars, everything underneath. Keep things dry. Here we are enjoying this nest.
Sucky. Cannot hear you. I guarantee it.
Yeah, it sucks. After hiking a couple miles, me and Seth got to the snob. We decided we'd build a windbreaker just until the storm passed. And in the middle of building this windbreaker, the storm rolled through and we had visibility. And not long after that, we picked out some bulls. There's another one down to the left. This one might be a shooter. It's hard to tell. It looks like he's got decent mass, dark horns, small 6 on one side, the other side, still not quite sure. But we're gonna close the distance and you might find more down there. Just found 2 bulls. We're moving in, closing the distance right now. One looks like it could be a potential shooter. That's why we're getting closer. We're about a mile away. Finally cleared up, but it is cold and windy as crap. So we're going down this. Here we go. Okay. Just stay on him. He's gonna turn. Wait. When you aim just in front of his, aim mid-body, honestly. Just wait. In this video, I'm telling him to aim mid-body to hold a minute and a half of wind because we had 15-mile-per-hour gusts. He's at 490. You still have a window on him? I have a tiny window right here. Dial 1 click up. Oh, and stop. No. It might be. You see him right now? Okay. I'm about to lose him behind this tree if he keeps going that direction. Oh, he's going back. He's going back to the left. Or right, sorry. He's running now. What the frick? Hiding. What? 4.2. Now he's running back. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? I don't have visual on him right now. Yeah, no, he's got. Okay. We are heading in right now. We missed our opportunity earlier. Spotter wasn't on, so we are stalking him through the trees. Slowly, quietly. We winded him up this way a little bit. So who knows where he's at. This was over an hour ago. Just saw him. No, I'm talking to the camera. You're good. I literally had a feeling, said a prayer, and then boom. He literally just been sitting in here hanging out. It's 2:02. We were tracking that bull. Had him at like 70 yards. Things happened pretty quick. Didn't actually get a shot off. And that was after tracking him for probably about a mile. So we bumped him. Tracked him again for who knows how long. But basically, he did a loop and then he dropped. We dropped over 1,200 feet of elevation. Just side hilling the crap out of it, and then ended up coming back up, heading up, and we decided it was not worth to keep tracking him because it's just so thick. So we're changing our plans. We're gonna get on this knob and glass for the evening. Hopefully we find something because we are a long ways away from the track, and we might need to be rescued at the end of this drainage. So it's literally a tool.
So after me and Seth got to the top of this knob, feeling a little chilled by the wind, we got a fire going, but with the sporadic wind we had, it was very short-lived.
Don't burn that QE glove.
I know.
Playing with fire there, bud. See how I did there?
I mean, we got her. Yeah, there's worse things though. As long
What
as
are the worst things?
hiking, doing what we did to get here.
That's actually true.
You're trying to burn your QE. What the heck? There's this. Holy buckets!
Careful, this wind is sketchy.
Okay, we got just more than an hour illegal shooting my left. We spotted some bulls way in the back. Like we were a mile and a half from them. We had to drop down 800 feet and then go up. Solid 800 feet. It's gonna be a matter of minutes if we make it or not. So we're cruising right now. Here we go. So 30 minutes later we did it. We were over there, dropped so far down. Coming up this, should have enough time. Bulls, about 800 yards right here. So let's see if we can make it happen. We're setting up. We found the bulls. We're slowly starting to feed out of the trees. There's one that's out of the trees that we could shoot now. He's a small one. Not gonna shoot him. There's still at least three more in there that I can see. One in the back looks like he might be a 6-point. So 50 yards right over there. Just waiting. There's some freaking wind though. He splits right up by his royal. He's got decent mass. Yeah, he is funky. Cool looking bull. I think he has a small 6, like typical 6 frame with a split on him. Yeah, he splits on his royal. That's sweet. Dude, stop sparring with that dink. over. He might double split. I think he double splits. Yeah, he's a 6 on the other side. And he splits on the other side too. What the frick? Oh my gosh. What a cool looking bull. Looks like his pedicle is, his beam is screwed up on the right side. But he's kind of cool. What a sweet looking bull. Okay, well he's the one with the neck behind the tree. I'd say aim at his... What? He's not facing up, he's only facing to the right. Okay, yeah, but I put it right in... Oh, wait. Let's say I put it right in front of his back leg. Dude, these bulls are dumb. He is so cool. He got good now. Wait. Chilling. Aim at his butt. Yeah, aim at his butt. Now I'm ready. Okay, dial down a minute and a half. Windage was perfect. Aim at his butt again. He's the one standing in there, same spot. He didn't move. Broadside. Smoked him right in the neck. You smoked him. He's down. All right, no. Get back on the gun. He's down, but he's running down. He's stumbling though. Yeah, I see him behind a tree. He's kicking around. But he's still mobile. He's moving. We're not gonna have a shot though. I don't think you'll be able to see him though. Oh, okay, come here. He is really... Alright, we're gonna just have to go up there and kill him. Dude.
He's hurting though.
Oh, he does not want to move. Like, look at that. Sucks it's gonna be in the dark. Dude, your shot was good though. Like, elevation was money. That was a good adjustment. The wind was that's my bad. The wind did pick up a little bit, but that was a good shot. Okay. He might have. It kind of looks like, yeah, it kind of looks like that.
I think he just tipped over.
I think he did. Just a second, I'm watching it for a second. Because, yeah, he's slumped over, his butt's sagging down.
That's a whirlwind. That's all, dude, I dialed so freaking perfectly after that.
It moved, broadside. Smoked him right in the neck. You smoked him, he's down. It's 5:24. There's about 10 minutes of legal shooting weight left. And Seth shot one. He hit him a little bit front, but that's the wind. Wind adjustment, that was my call. He's right over there. 845 yards is what he was. I'm gonna video this because why not? So spray. Like he was spraying. Still blood. Dude, he is bleeding. I think this is where he hit him. Nope, it was not. It's higher. Blood. Somewhere right here, maybe. Yeah, this is probably the start where he started stumbling. Holy cow. It's cold. My feet hurt.
Now that a bull was down, Me and Seth had to start strategizing how exactly we were going to get this bull off this mountain. Not being as familiar with this area, we called someone who was, and he gave us the best route out. So we then messaged our little brother Byron, dropped him the pin where he should park, and dropped him the pin where he should go to meet us. And I gotta give him props. Hiking in unfamiliar territory in the dark at age 15 is pretty impressive. So me and Seth began cutting up his bull, while Byron began the 3.5-mile hike towards us.
Oh no.
Into the moon. Here we go. Packing out right now. Got a couple miles, at least 3.5 roughly to go. It is, I want to say it's like 10 o'clock.
Huh?
Is it 10 o'clock?
It is 9:55. So yeah.
9:55, so 10 o'clock. Packing, sets the bowl out. So it's cold.
Don't shoot dinks, it's not worth it.
Hey, he's a 7x8. He's a freak.
Baby 7.
He's a freak. But much like last week, it's time for one of these. All right.
Such a faggot.
Dude.
Time to open one of these. Squirts out.
Yeah, here we go. But don't step on these logs, they're slick. These guys, amateurs, trying to die. Okay, no, that guy is trying to die. It's slick, in case you didn't know. Oh, it's ice. Sheesh. I got about 80 pounds on my pack, I'd say. Dude, stuff sucks. And the other side's gonna be just as steep. Not steeper. Oh, there goes my trekking pole. Just collapsed. Hopefully it didn't break. There you go. It's dangerous. Oh my gosh! This is dangerous, Byron. This is dangerous. So this was a steep, sketchy. I thought you were talking about that hill was.
Oh no, it's this. That one is still like.
It's steep, but it's not snowy.
No, it's snowy.
Oh.
And it's got more.
All right, yeah, I'll see. Great, Byron. Let's pray not. Because that will be kind of sucky. Even this is sucky.
Kind of steep. Stinking lights.
Not very enough. Ooh. There you go. A couple more miles to go.
now they can go.
Need to put some batteries in my light.
After hiking a mile or so on the trail, we noticed some fresh wolf tracks and Byron's tracks from the way in, which means these wolves are probably within earshot of us. But being as tired as we were, we didn't want to even dink around with howling at them, so we continued on.
It's good. Make sure you follow my tracks though. I am.
That trail goes like this, or around or whatever, and it's really not.
Okay. Don't follow Byron's tracks. Got it. I need them long. Seriously? There we go. You get frozen.
Used to run in negative 15-degree weather.
It's just after 12. Been hiking for a couple hours now. Got a mile and a half to go. It's all downhill from here though. Cruising along. These guys are enjoying it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is fun. Not. Alright, we just made it back. Loading stuff up now and then we're headed out. It's 1 o'clock. Just throwing stuff in the truck. That was a fun little hike. Shot that elk 8 hours ago, I think. It was about 5 o'clock. Funky bowl. There you have it.
For anyone wondering why it took us 5 hours to go 3.5 miles, well, this is why. We only planned on it being like a day hunt, short day hunt for that matter, and we didn't bring any food and certainly not enough water. So there you go. Lesson learned, never going to do that again. We now just drove the 10 to 15 miles around the mountain to go pick up the other truck at the other end. And then we got some much needed rest and got after it the next day.